Effluent is basically the dirty water that leaves your septic tank and heads to the drain field, and knowing about it can save you from some serious home headaches. So here's the deal. Effluent is the liquid waste that comes out after solids settle in your septic tank. You want that stuff flowing smoothly into your drain field because that's where it gets naturally filtered by the soil. First off, keep an eye on what goes into your septic system. Avoid flushing anything besides toilet paper and human waste, no wipes or chemicals, because they can mess up the bacteria that break down solids. Make sure your tank gets pumped out every 3 to 5 years depending on use, so it doesn't overflow and cause backups. Also, don't park or build anything heavy over the drain field because it can crush those pipes and stop effluent from draining properly. Water conservation helps too. Less water means less strain on the system and better treatment of effluent. If you notice pooling water or bad smells around your yard, those are red flags your effluent isn't flowing right, so call a pro. Finally, plant grass or shallow-rooted plants over the drain field to absorb moisture without damaging pipes. One of the biggest mistakes with effluent is ignoring regular septic tank maintenance, which leads to clogs and backups. Fix this by scheduling pump outs on time. Another common issue is pouring harsh chemicals down the drain that kill the helpful bacteria needed to break down waste. Instead, stick to natural cleaners or septic, safe products. Lastly, a lot of folks don't protect their drain field area from heavy vehicles or construction, which can compress the soil and stop effluent from filtering properly. Keeping that area clear is key. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot if you're looking for trusted local contractors who know their stuff about septic systems and effluent management. It also helps contractors find homeowners needing reliable help with their home projects, making it easier for everyone to connect and get the job done right.